Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Kimmy. Today I'm going to show you how to cook shredded chicken with spring onion sauce. It's a simple meal. I'll show you all the ingredients. Let's start. Cut some vegetable now. So garlic, cut it into slice. And a shallot. And then we cut it into slice as well. And a spring onion. Ginger, crush that for the stock, and cut the rest of them in the slice. This spring onion only for the decoration. So you can see 2 chicken legs. Everything's ready for cook now. Now time to cook now. We need half pound of boiled water. And now you put the chicken leg in. Ginger. It takes 20 minutes to cook with the lower heat. Spring onion. 2 tablespoons of white wine. And 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, time to make some scallion oil dip now. So firstly we need 180 ml of cooking oil and heat it up slowly, and we put the garlic first and then the shallot and the ginger and the spring onion as well. So just take it a slow heat time, let it cook slowly until you see they became a bit yellow and golden, and that will be done. But don't rush into it, otherwise you will burn them. Now you will see the color like that, so you put it out and drain it, and it's ready for serve. After 20 minutes, a low heat cooking, a chicken leg should be cooked. What you need to do is just put a chopstick through the chicken leg. If not any blood coming out, that should be cooked. And it's time to take them out now. Now we put the chicken leg to the cold water, and we got to put some ice on it as well. And I leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the chicken leg out from the ice water, share the chicken into the pieces. Okay, it's time we got to make some sauce now. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of scallion oil, and 1 pinch of pepper, and then mix up well, and that should be ready for serve. Now we got to pour the sauce top of the chicken. Put the spring onion for the decoration. Thank you for watching it. Please give us a like and subscribe as well.